Hi, hello guys, ExcellentSlides here. We create excellent presentations. In this really quick tutorial, I will show you how to clear all of the formatting of the text in just 1 second in PowerPoint. So it sounds interesting, so let's get started. So first of all, we need to create any text box. So go to the insert and here you have text box. Let's create a text box and now we can type just anything like ExcellentSlides, for instance, and we can align it to the center, so let's do so. Alright, and let's say for instance we would like to change the font color to maybe green, we would like to make it bold, we would like to change font for, let's say, play for display, and maybe we would like to underline it, maybe very loose spacing, and maybe I think, well, that's okay. And as you can see, here there is a cool button, the cool icon, that lets you clear all formatting. So simply when I click it, as you can see, this is a default text. So as you could see, I have added a lot of options, like I changed font, the size, I underlined it, I bolded, I changed the font color. But if I click it, as you can see, in just 1 second, everything is as default. So I think you did not know about this trick before. If so, let me know in the comments section below. If you liked this video, as always, give me thumbs up. And if you have any question related to PowerPoint, presentation design and this stuff, make sure to post a comment. And as always, I will make sure to respond to you as soon as possible. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.